Hey you, it's Paul from Defining the Box, where we're defining the box to help you think outside of it. This week we have the Vapor Slide. This is their V2 Plus. Vapor Slide's a company I've known for a long time. They're one of the reasons I actually moved out to Colorado. They've innovated on a very interesting space, the fastest growing consumption method, which are these little pre-filled cartridges. So the normal way you do it is these like typical batteries. You get them at a dispenser or head shop for like 10 bucks, but Vapor Slide is more premium product. It's about $60, but it's definitely got some innovations on it. Three things are, this thing lasts so much longer. I think it's like a 3 times longer battery. So I brought one of these things to Red Rocks, like, you know, the standard cartridge pens. Totally died on me, middle of the show, worst experience ever, but I've never experienced anything like that with the Vapor Slide. Second thing, it comes with its own unique coil that gives it a different taste. It's 100% ceramic. Before I show you the coil, I just gotta show you this case. It is so bougie and nice. I love it. It's a little extravagant for my taste, but it is so cool looking that I gotta commend them on the packaging. Hopefully it comes up on the video. So in terms of the cartridge, it has this like pre-filled thing, so you could like open it, twist it up, and then fill it in with a syringe. They're getting more popular, they're more cost effective, but it's honestly a little bit too much effort for my taste. But you could taste a little bit better with the ceramic coil when you use the Vapor Slide. The third one is my personal favorite. Actually, the reason I really love what they're doing in the first place is you can stick this in almost any female water pipe. Don't mind the bong, it's a little dirty. I've been smoking some herbs out of it, not the clean vapor, but it's very sleek and smooth. All you do is suck through. I don't have a cartridge in here, so it's not working, but you just suck through the water. There's no button to push. It rips almost as good as a dab. Nothing's as good as a dab, but it's in a close proximity. So we got a giveaway ending very, very soon. They're giving away 2 of these, and they got 2 different colors. You got the rose gold. Everyone's got to have a rose gold nowadays. Thank you, Apple. And then you also got the gun steel beautifulness. I personally like this one, but you know, go with your choice. Thank you for watching. Drop us a comment if you ever had a chance to use a Vapor Slide. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer. Thank you. Don't make fun of how dirty my bong is. It's so gross.